Hi, I'm Brad Cray with California State Parks. We are so proud to partner with Zoom, who this year will help us bring educational distance learning opportunities to over 75,000 K-12 students, many from communities with little or no access to our parks. But our partnership isn't bound to the K-12 environment. Recently, we were at Emerald Bay State Park in beautiful Lake Tahoe to share the unveiling of the Emerald Bay Maritime Heritage Trail. This underwater trail, a first of its kind in California, allows snorkelers and divers a chance to explore sunken boats and barges from the turn of the 20th century. Using Zoom's latest technology, we were able to bring this amazing underwater resource to everyone. We broadcast video of what our state park divers were seeing, and were able to communicate between our divers, teams on the pier, and ones remotely. As long as you have a connection to a network, a microphone, and a camera, you can Zoom from anywhere. In this case, the divers' masks were equipped with two-way audio, and we used a camera-enabled ROV to capture our adventure. It was a great media day for California State Parks, and with Zoom, we were able to broadcast live this previously unknown cultural resource to more people than we ever could have imagined on our social channels. Let's take a look at some of the footage.
We can hear you, we can see you just great from the top here. Tell us a little bit about what you're seeing down there in the deep.
And what we're seeing here is a fine example of a hard giant fishing vessel from roughly the late 19th to earliest 20th century.
I'm only about 10 feet deep. This is the shallow side of the barge. Consider the Emerald Bay Maritime Heritage Trail open to the public.
Thank you so much for the tour.
All right.
We are committed to providing real-time video access to our state parks. Gone are the days of needing a film crew, technical equipment, and studio gear to deliver high-quality video.